PsycINFO is one of the premier psychological databases in the world, which makes it one of the most highly utilized databases by students, researchers, educators, and practitioners for the discovery of global scholarly research. PsycINFO has more than 4 million bibliographic records and indexes more than 2,500 scholarly journals, 99% of which are peer-reviewed. PsycINFO holds materials from the 1800s to the present. PsycINFO is also always expanding, with approximately 4,000 new records added each week. As you advance in your schoolwork and research, it will be important for you to become more savvy with your research strategies. PsycINFO makes it easy to search for specific document types, research methodologies such as clinical case reports, empirical studies and literature reviews, find the appropriate research term through its thesaurus, and much more. Let's actually go to the database and see how it works. You can get to PsycINFO by going to our main library homepage, which is located at library.uhv.edu. Click on Databases A to Z, Sort to P, and then click on PsycINFO. You can either dive right into a search or build a strategic search strategy using PsycINFO's special features. The thesaurus feature can help you discover the correct terms to use to find material on your topic. Let's say I'm interested in PTSD, but I'm not sure if I should use the acronym or the full name of the disorder. Type in PTSD and browse. And it tells me to use post-traumatic stress disorder when I'm searching for articles about PTSD. Now that we know what search term to use, let's go back to our search. We'll type in post-traumatic stress disorder, and then select our appropriate field. If you don't select a field, it will search for post-traumatic stress disorder anywhere in the full text or in the record. Let's change ours to subjects, so we know that the results we'll get will have post-traumatic stress disorder as a focus of the article. You can also see all of the other field options, such as age group, methodology, and more. Another way you can refine your search is to use the advanced search filters below. Here, you can refine your search to include only certain publication dates, peer-reviewed material. You can select an age group that you're interested in, document type, methodology, and more. For our search, I'm going to select adulthood for my age group, and then we can hit search. Now we are looking at articles that have post-traumatic stress disorder as a subject and focus on PTSD in adulthood. If you find that you need to refine your search more, you can add in keywords. For this search, let's also add in veterans to get more specific results. We'll do another search. Another way you can refine your results is on the left side of the page under our Limit To box, Source Types, and if you scroll down, you can see all the other ways that you can narrow down your search. If you're interested in an article, you can click on the title and it will take you right to the article. If you'd like to see the detailed record for the article, click on Detailed Record in the upper left corner of the page. Here, you can see more information, for example, the authors, the source, the abstract, impact statement, and age group, among other things. These tools on the right side of the page can help you print, save, and cite your article. If you need help while you conduct your research, remember that the library is here to help you.